investigation in the Philippines?
We don't have any information that they conducted an investigation here, but probably in
Bakit
their own
nabanggit ng
base.
Pangulo na meron ng possibly illegal entry and that in fact they were welcome since we were an open country? Ano kaya ibig sabihin nun?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, may I refer to the DOJ, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. It's really important that we know the context by which the President gave the statement. If we do not know the question, we cannot understand the answer. I think that it's very basic, ma'am.
Yes, and we're all subject to the media. I just found this through the media. I am not aware of any specific or special context. My understanding is that it was an interview, as is usually given by public officials.
Yes, ma'am, but it's usually the context by which we are asked a question that we give an answer. So unless we hear the exact question that he was asked, we cannot give you a complete answer to this question, ma'am.
Perhaps this will be clearer. November 14, 2024, the President was quoted as saying, if that's the wish of Duterte, we will not block the ICC. We will not just cooperate. I think this requires no context. It's pretty straightforward and direct.
Well, we also want to know his response to what stimulus, because if there's a question, we want to know the question. We still want to know the question.
Simply, he was asked if he approved of the presence of the ICC in the Philippines. There seemed to be some awareness in the public and in the media that the ICC was already here. So they asked the President, what do you think? And he said, we will not block them. We will not just cooperate. There's clearly a change in tone and in order.
Well, if they have not violated any law, I don't think that we should be alarmed at anything that they're doing here, as long as they are not violating our laws.
What does not blocking the ICC mean? Non-cooperation, I think we mentioned that.
Well, still non-cooperation, because we never, up to now, had any communication with the ICC, if officially or unofficially.
Again, I remind you of the President's statement earlier, will not do anything about the ICC as long as they don't do anything illegal. Isn't this tantamount already to blocking the ICC and not cooperating?
Can you put the question into context, ma'am, please?
There is no context. It's simply that previously the President said that the government will not do anything about the ICC, like you commented on, unless they do something illegal in the Philippines. Is this not tantamount to blocking the ICC?
Well, blocking the ICC, we never knew that they were here. We cannot do something that we do not even know or identify the people who are supposed to be blocked. So I don't see the logic, ma'am.
No, it's a simple question, straightforward. As of November 14 last year, ang sinabi ng Pangulo, no blocking, pero no cooperation din. Tama?
Marahil, yun siguro ho, mas maganda hong Tagalogin natin, hindi tayo tutulong sa kanila. Hindi tayo tutulong. Hindi tayo hahadang, ngunit hindi tayo tutulong. Yung paghadlang kasi, wala.
Ng anuman investigasyon, pwera lang kapag illegal na ang ginagawa. Pero
Ganun nga ho yun.
hindi rin tayo tutulong.
Ganun ho ang batas natin eh. Nanguhuli lang po tayo pag may ginawa hong mali. May
Pero
ginawa
ang
hong
ibig ko
paglabag sa
sabihin,
batas.
Ang maliwanag dito, nag-umpisa na ang investigasyon. As of November nung nakaraan.
Hindi ko po masasabi yun. Kasi
Bakit
wala po akong contact, wala po akong alam na ganung hong usapin nung panahon na yun.
So ang ibig sabihin, hindi pa nag-uumpisa ang investigasyon, nagsasalita lang ang presidente ng kusa na
Depende nga ho sa
naiba
tanong. Ang problema ho,
sa dating salita.
ang problema ho, kung hindi natin alam ang tanong, paano natin malalaman kung paano ba dyan sinagot yung tanong sa ganung paraan? Kaya kung pwede ho, ilagay nyo natin
Kasi sabi ko lang ng
ilagay po
tanong.
natin sa talata yung tanong na tinanong kay Pangulo para malaman natin kung ano ang kanyang sinasabi. Kasi hindi ho eh. Ang ganitong salita po ay response po sa isang tanong. Kaya dapat yung tanong po sana iharap niyo po sa atin
Binasa
para
ko na-
para buo po, para buo ang pag-uusap. Tsaka sino po ang nagtanong? Anong pagkakataon yun tinanong?
Ang media ang nagtanong at ang simpleng tanong, aprobado mo ba ang presensya ng ICC in the Philippines? I think the identity of the media is irrelevant. The question is, does he approve of the ICC in the Philippines? Ang sabi niya, simple lang naman, ay kapag walang illegal, talaga naman sasalubungin natin sa ating bansa pagkat tayo ay bukas at malaya.
Yun nga ho. Tama ho yun. Yun ang sinabi niya. Talaga hong hanggang wala hong ginagawang illegal ang tao, ay pababayaan natin silang manatili sa tahimik.
Tama. Ngayon, ang ibig sabihin nito, nag-umpisa na ang ICC investigation. Maybe we ask Secretary Anyo, please. Bilang NSC, baka mas alam ninyo kung kailan nag-umpisa yung parating nila, yung pabalik-balik po nila.
Madam Chair, wala po kaming impormasyon. Hindi po kami aware na nagkaroon ng investigation dito ang ICC ng mga panahon na yan.
As of November noong nakaraang taon, wala pang ICC investigation anuman na nalalaman po ninyo.
Wala po kaming nalalamang investigation. At wala po kaming namomonitor na pumuntang ICC investigators.
So ganun din ang ating Deputy DG Erico, si DG Guloy, baka may maidagdag kayo. Dahil ang pagkaintindi namin, pag narinig mo, nabasa mo, simpleng pagkaintindi, sinabi na ni Presidente hindi namin pagbabawalan. Ano kaya yun na pagbabawalan? Kung hindi pa nag-umpisa, bakit sinasabi niya hindi ko pagbabawalan hanggang hindi illegal? Nakakapagtaka.
Ganon din po, Madam Chair. Wala rin po kaming informasyon at saka na-monitor na meron po ICC during that period, Madam Chair.
So ang Pangulong mag-isa ang nagsabi na hahayaan niya, pwera lang kapag illegal na ang gawain. Siya lang mag-isa ang nagsabi nun, ngunit kayo, wala naman kayong impormasyon na naibigay sa kanya tungkol doon.
Opo, Madam Chair. Wala po kaming informasyon na ibigay kay Presidente po, Madam Chair.
Thank you. As we speak today, what is the stance of the executive? Does the ICC have jurisdiction over the crimes committed in the Philippines between November 2011 and March 19, 2019?
We just follow the Supreme Court's dictum in the case of Pangilinan Cayetano.
And that is?
That is, residual jurisdiction is there up to 1 year from the date of withdrawal of the Philippines.
Up to 1 year, right?
Yes,
Should
Madam.
bring us to
March 2019. 2019.
2020.
2019.
2019.
Yes, ma'am.
So, pati yung residual jurisdiction na sinasabi po ninyo, hanggang 2019 na lang.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yun
wala
po
na
sabi
kayo-
ng Korte Suprema.
Tama.
Oh.
So, ngayon wala na. Maski residual jurisdiction, wala na rin.
Wala na po, wala na po.
Kasi 1 year lang eh.
Pero tandaan po natin, ma'am, na ang ICC sa buong mundo ay tinitingnan ang ginagawa ng mga individual na marahil ay nakakapanakit sa kapwa nila at gumagawa po ng pag-violate ng mga karapatan ng mga tao. Yun po yung tinitingnan po na ICC rito eh. Kaya ho, hindi po yan ang ating tinitingnan eh. Ang tinitingnan po natin talaga, ano ba talaga ang ICC? Ang ICC ay tinatag upang habulin yung mga individual na lumabag sa batas ng tao at sa batas ng Diyos. Yun ang pagkakaunawa ko.
Kung yung ICC may jurisdiction at hindi pa nag-umpisa ng anumang investigasyon nung nakaraang taon, nung Nobyembre, anong ibig sabihin ng Presidente nung may pagbabago? Nung sinabi niya na hindi tayo hahadlang pero hindi rin tayo magko-cooperate. Ba't niya sinabi yon? Biglang iba na ang tono, biglang nagbago. Kayo nga nagsabi, dapat talaga nagbabago ang palaisipan ng tao.
Ganun po talaga dapat ho. Hindi tayo, hindi natin itataga sa bato ang pwede ho maging hindi totoo.
Siyempre natututo tayo sa
po,
habang panahon.
natatanda